Okay, another dishwashing video. This is about the 12th time today. So set it to whatever, that setting. Hit start. Gentle close. You can see that the dishwasher is on. Not much to look at, unfortunately. And if it's going to fail, it'll fail that now. Yep. It's failed again. And it says 0, 0. And everything's still mucky and dirty and it's all pushed in and there's no, everything's fine. So I'll try it again. Let's try that one then. This time, start button. Here you go. So it goes through the same preliminary cycle every time and it seems to stop at the same point every time, which is about 2 minutes and 20 seconds after you close the door and actually activate the cycle. So we've got about a minute left. But I just wanted to run it a couple of times just so you can see this is what we deal with every day. Pretty much sort of works like you start at 10 times, it'll work on the 11th, or you start at 8 times, it'll work on the 9th. Don't really count. Something like that, but you know, today I don't know how many times I've run it, probably 15 times, and it hasn't started once. It's been doing exactly this every time, which is a bit annoying. Because normally at least you'll get a wash. There you go. Did it again. And there it is. That's it. So that's the problem that we're dealing with. You can turn it off at the power. Now, I don't know if you can see, but you can turn it off at the power. You can reset it by holding the power button and that button down for whatever it is, 10 seconds or something. You can turn it on again, you can empty it out, you can clean it out, you can put one dish in, you can put no dishes in, you can put all the dishes in. It's nothing to do with anything I can fix. Alright, thanks for that. I'll upload this to YouTube. Okay. I'll give it one more go, hey? Sometimes it just goes, you know, you just hit it and you walk it and you go, oh my god, it's going! And you think, ooh! And obviously we've had technicians out 4 times. So, yeah. Cool, thanks.